Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my old tribe, my new subscribers. You're most welcome. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. If it's your first time here today, my name is Mwaka, the Wifepreneur. On this channel we're all about entrepreneurship, productivity, as well as social media growth. Well, what does that mean? That means that when you come to this channel, when you subscribe to this channel, when you join this family, we are going to help you start your own small business that you can run in your own pace, whether you are working full-time, whether you are a student, whether you are still in school. We are all about empowering women start their own small businesses so that we can all have some extra cash. So we're going to help you start your small business and help you grow it using the power of social media. With that being said guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I just want to share with you 3 ways in which you can monetize your hobby. What does that mean? That means that you have this hobby that you think is just a hobby to you, but it can actually help the next person. So how can you turn that hobby of yours into money? Before we jump into this video guys, make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. So you have this hobby that you enjoy doing. It could be cooking, it could be baking, it could be designing clothes, it could be taking pictures, that is photography, it could be writing. You enjoy writing novels, or you enjoy making up characters and then you write them down. So how can you turn that into your hobby? You can make money selling this knowledge of yours, selling this hobby of yours in 3 ways. The first way that you can actually sell your hobby is by writing an ebook. You write an ebook, you tell people about this hobby of yours. You know, there are people like out there, especially now. I think all of us, we have seen what we are capable of the past 2 years during this COVID time. We always sit at home, you always have plenty of time on your hands, and I see now being a plant mom is something that is blooming. It's something that they enjoy now. It's more like therapy. Like, you know, even me, I'm one of those people that just started, you know, with planting, taking care of plants and so forth. Like, so if this is your hobby, why not look at things that the mistakes that new plant mom are making, or what advice you can give them, which plant might be the best, which plant, when to plant it, which season. Is it better to buy from the shop? Is it better to buy seedlings, or is it better to, you know, just plant your own seeds from the start? So you can come up with an ebook where you explain all these things, what is best, what is not best, the best practices, the tools, the techniques, and all that. So that is the first thing that you can do. You can turn whatever hobby of yours into an ebook and sell it out as a digital product. You know, I have a playlist up here on digital products. You can go and watch the digital products, and there's a video that is coming very soon on digital products as well as on ebooks. The second way in which you can monetize your hobby is by creating online courses. Online courses, it could be a master class. It's just a once-off class that could be 1 hour here online, so that you really get to attract people from all over the world. It won't just be people in your region or in your town. So try as much as possible to come up with a master class. It could be a webinar, it could be a workshop. I've seen a funny workshop and I said to myself, like, wow, really people are genius. It's a workshop that was run here in Namibia, I think about a month or 2 ago, where they were teaching people how to start a poultry farm. It was an online workshop, and people were charged about 2,000 Namibian dollars. So imagine if you have 10 people in Namibia paying you 2,000 Namibian dollars, you have 10 people in South Africa paying you 2,000 Namibian dollars, you have 5 people all over the world, wherever you can think of. You know, that is just you making money while seated at home. And this workshop, it could be a 1 day, it could be 2 days. And besides using a workshop, something just came to my mind now. You can start a subscription or a membership program where you teach people how to do something from day 1 to day 5, you know, so that they can actually really see these results. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying this video so far. And number 3 is my best, which is one-on-one coaching, or it could be a group coaching. So you can make money coaching people about how to do a certain thing, which is your hobby. If you are into photography, you know, you can, there are a lot of people out there that want to learn the basics of photography. So you can come up with your price list. You say per hour I charge this much, and this is what you learn, this is what you get at the end of my course. So people will come to you on one-on-one basis. You can tell them, no, I meet you 4 times a month, that is my one-on-one. And throughout this one-on-one, you really want these people to learn and be productive. So through the classes, you can come up with checklists, you can come up with whatever quiz, anything that can, you know, push your students to make progress with whatever that they're doing. So this is also my favorite way of doing money, because basically it's your hobby. If it's photography, it's something that you know, it's pictures you have been taking. It's not only about pictures, it's about the art, it's about whatever, the depth you want to, you know, you want them to learn everything. And these things that you are teaching them, it's things that you have been doing maybe since you were since you were 15 in high school. So you basically have all the experience, you have seen all the mistakes, you know how to correct these mistakes. So it's really just best that you start selling your hobbies in these 3 ways. So let's quickly have a recap on what we have learned. How can you sell your hobby? How can you monetize your hobby? The first way is through ebooks. Write down the techniques, whatever that people need to know. The third way is to come up with masterclasses, workshops, webinars where you are teaching people about this specific hobby of yours. At number 4, we are talking about coaching other people, one-on-one coaching. Now guys, these are best ways that you can actually monetize your knowledge, and it's money guaranteed each and every single day. In the meantime guys, I'll leave up these 2 videos here where you can learn a thing or two regarding business as well as digital products. See you that side.